targeting, optimizations, bid adjustments, design. These elements would do your Facebook ad campaigns no justice unless you have great ad copy that guides people to purchase your product. So in this video, you're going to learn the 5 copywriting techniques that will improve your Facebook ad copy and conversion rate of your ads. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. What's up, e-commerce pioneers? It's Gabe Matt here from the Ecom Agency. If you're new to the community, welcome. This is the best place for e-commerce owners, agencies, and marketers interested in scaling their online brand through digital marketing. So make sure to hit that subscribe button below and let's get into how to write Facebook ad copy that converts. A common misconception is that your ad copy is not as important compared to your targeting and creative, but this is bogus. Let me debunk this myth by saying this is absolutely bogus. Think about it. What's the first thing people see when an ad pops up? Assuming you're on mobile, about 80% of users are active on Facebook. The first thing they see is the headline, right? That's the scroll stopper. Then they see the ad creative, which holds an important role of demonstrating the problem solution of your product, and after this, your ad copy above the image or video. At this stage, the sole purpose of the ad copy is to sell the user to buy the product, or at least to click the ad and learn more about the website. The ad copy is your salesperson. That is why it is so important that your ad copy is on point to sell your e-commerce products. So now I'm going to share with you the 5 top techniques you can use to improve your ad click-through rate, and of course, that sweet ROAS, baby. Let's get into it. And make sure to stick around till the end because I'm going to be sharing the 3 biggest mistakes people make with their ad copy that we've seen marketers do that could save you thousands in poor performing ads. The USP Hook. The Facebook feed is a busy place used by people with a short attention span. As soon as you've stopped the scroll, you've really got 5 to 7 seconds to get your point across. Tell your audience a USP or unique selling point first. What makes your product unique? What problem does your product solve? What differentiates your product from the hundreds of competitors online? Highlight 1 or 2 points that makes your product unique. Put yourself in your customer's shoes and think, what are the factors that would impact their purchasing decision? For example, if you're a beauty brand selling lipstick, you might want to highlight that you've produced sustainability, little to no waste. You produced with no nasty chemicals, that you come with a makeup tutorial, or you help with dry or chapped lips, etc. And the list goes on. I recommend including USP in the headline under the creative to stop the scroll. We want to get that attention. 2, the audience hook. Specificity will lead to a higher conversion rate. Remember that. The awesome thing about digital marketing, especially paid social advertising, is that you can target specific demographics and interests. So if you're targeting mums, for example, who love sustainable makeup, make sure you mention mummy terminology, language, and vocabulary in your ad copy. Call them out. Hey mums, are you tired of using lipstick made from harmful and unnatural chemicals? If you just do this, assuming your targeting is on point, you'll see a boost in conversions. Why? You'll be doing 2 things: capturing the intention of more people you target and also driving better quality traffic to your store. Pro tip, don't just be contextual with your language. If you can be contextual with life events as well, that's even better. If you're targeting mums, create rapport by sharing common interests like quarantine, mum life, or childcare. Do it and thank me when you see a high level of engagement because of your ad copy. 3, numbers hook. Tell me which variation is more compelling. We help aging women look and feel younger with 100% sustainable skincare. Shop now. Versus, did you know that 60% of women over 50 feel self-conscious about their appearance? We don't believe this has to be the case, so we created a sustainable skincare for women of all ages. Shop now. I made that statistic up, by the way. It's not true. But you feel the difference, right? Cool. So add some numbers to your ads. And most importantly, don't make them up, like me. 4, the testimonial hook. Who better to describe your product's benefits than your actual customer? When writing an ad, try leading the copy with a short testimonial, highlighting a transformation, a positive experience, or an honest review. It'll use the language of your target audience, shout out to Hook 2 about speaking to your audience and using the language, and sell your product for you. Let me ask you, who do you trust more? The salesperson at the store selling you to buy the product, or the person that looks like and talks like you and has similar problems to you that actually advocates for the product? A third-party person. Obviously the third-party person, right? That's why this technique works really well. So grab some testimonials and start testing the strategy. Pro tip, don't have testimonials? That's okay. Send the product to family and friends who are likely to see value in it, and in return, ask for an honest review, testimonial, or even if you can, a photo or video to use as a creative in your ads. The question hook. Are you an e-commerce business owner that wants more sales? This is an example of a question hook. The key thing I'm doing here is prompting a yes, which does a couple things. It qualifies the user so I attract the right audience to my store, and it qualifies the ad as a potential solution to their pain point, i.e. gets their attention and gets us more sales. How I could improve this further is being even more specific, such as, are you an e-commerce business owner looking to drive more sales through Facebook ads? Or are you struggling to see online sales come through your Facebook ads? You can then follow up this hook with points that further describe the problem, your solution, and then a call to action. For example, are you an e-commerce business owner looking to drive more sales through Facebook ads? Don't worry, you're not alone. We speak to hundreds of business owners and found a simple tweak you can make to your ad copy to drive more sales. Watch our 5 Facebook ad copy techniques video and click below to find out how we can implement these techniques to your ads. Remember, hook, problem, solution, call to action. Use that question hook and you will make more sales. And now for the bonus. For those that made it this far, welcome to the bonus section. After speaking to hundreds of businesses inside and outside the e-commerce business space, we've narrowed down 3 major mistakes people make when writing their ad copy that can be detrimental to your campaign. Listen to these, write them down, and pledge to avoid them at all costs. The 3 mistakes, here they go. 1, talking about features rather than benefits. This happens way too often and it's so important. What's the difference, you might ask? Features describes the product. Benefits describe a solution or outcome of the product. People don't care about what the product is, they care about what it can do for them. So make sure you only speak to the benefits. 2, selling too many products in one ad. Do yourself a favor and only promote 1 product per ad. And to go even further, try only promoting 1 or 2 max unique selling points about the product in the ad copy. And last but not least, number 3 of the mistakes, unclear call to action. With respect to society, people are monkeys that need to be told what to do. So if you lack a clear call to action, they're likely not going to click on your ad and purchase even after reading your hard-earned, hard-worked ad copy. And say goodbye to that bright green Lamborghini. If you want people to shop, tell them to shop now at the bottom of the ad. Keep it simple, stupid. Shop now, 1 call to action. Alright guys, and that is it for the 5 Facebook ad copy techniques to increase your ROAS. If you found this immensely valuable, please support us on our mission to help businesses scale online during these funky COVID-y times by hitting that subscribe button below. And comment below if you have any questions with regard to writing ad copy. We'll be happy to assist and provide further insight. Now get your laptop, get your computer, and start writing some new ad copy, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.